maths. Welcome to maths class, and today we'll do the chapter number play. The concept we are going to do in these chapters are supercell, patterns of numbers, pretty, palindromic patterns, magic numbers of Kaprekar, addition, subtraction and multiplication, and Calaf's conjecture. So all these topics we are going to cover in this chapter. Start with the introduction. We use numbers everywhere in our daily lives. हमारी डेली लाइफ में हम हर जगह, चाहे मार्केट जा रहे हैं या घर में, everywhere we are using numbers. We use numbers to count, to solve basic operation of the mathematics like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the family, for group photograph, they are arranging in the pattern. So each family members has the number according to their height. यहाँ पे जो इतने फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, दे आर अरेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर हाइट्स और उनके अकॉर्डिंग उनको नंबर दिया गया है. जो सबसे छोटा है उसको 1, उससे बड़ा उसको 2. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर हाइट नंबर्स आर गिवन. नेक्स्ट इज सुपर सेल्स. Observe the number written in the table below. So here you can see 59, 82, 79, 78, 92, 86, 98, 105. 82 is the colored because it is greater than its adjacent cell. Means उसके पास के जो नंबर है उन दोनों नंबर से ग्रेटर है. Similarly 92 is colored. 72 is not colored because it is smaller than its adjacent cell. Means उसके adjacent जो पास वाले नंबर है वो जो है उनसे greater नहीं है. 82 is colored. Why? Because it is greater than the adjacent cell. Adjacent cell means इसके adjacent cell में जो पास वाली cells पे एक side 59 है एक side 79. 82 is greater than that. Similarly 92 is also colored because जो उसके adjacent cell है उससे वो number greater है. But 78 is not colored because that is not greater than the number in their adjacent cell because उसके adjacent cell में एक side 79 है एक side 92 है. Clear? Next is evolution time 1.1. Color the supercell in the following table. So supercell को आपको color करना है. So here 52 is a supercell because इसके adjacent cell से ये greater है. Similarly अगर आप देखेंगे 92 is also supercell because ये अपने adjacent जो नंबर है cells उनके नंबर से greater है. तो इस तरीके से आपको जो है नंबर supercell वाले कलर करने हैं. Next, fill in the table with only 4 digit numbers such that the supercells are exactly the color cell. So इस तरीके से fill करना है कि ये supercell बन जाए. So number is 3467. So यहाँ जो भी number आएगा that should be 4 digit number and less than this the given number. So it could be 2567. You can write any random number. Clear? And 7285 is also a supercell. So here you can write 3005 and 4000. इस तरीके से आपको नंबर फिल करने हैं. नेक्स्ट, फिल इन द टेबल बिलो सच दैट वी गेट एज मैनी सुपरसेल एज पॉसिबल. वी यूज ओनली इवन नंबर्स बिटवीन 50 to 300 विदाउट रिपीटेशन. सो हमें सुपरसेल जितनी मैक्सिमम सुपरसेल वी कैन गेट एंड हमें यहाँ से 50 से 300 के बीच में ओनली इवन नंबर्स यूज करने हैं एंड विदाउट रिपीटेशन. सपोज it is the number 300. So and यहाँ पे जो भी नंबर आएगा that should be less than 300. You can write any random number like 188 you can write, and here the number you can write 200, 176. Like this you have to fill the number randomly any number so that you can get the maximum supercells. Clear? Next is patterns of the number on number line. We have already learned about the number lines. We use number line to represent number for addition, subtraction and multiplication. So number are placed on the number lines given below. So this is a number line and number are placed on it. Arrange all these numbers in ascending order. So ascending order में arrange करना है, that means increasing order. So we have to start from the smallest number. So smallest number, that is 100, then 200, then 236, 300, 378, 400, 500, 550, 600, 620, 700, 780, 800, 840. Next, evolution time 1.2. Identify the number marked on the number line below and label the remaining position. Also encircle the largest numbers. So here the number is marked 3060, 3050, 3040, 30, 20, 10, 3000 and यहाँ पे से लेस हो जाएगा 2990 बिकॉज 10 का गैप है 990, 3000, 3010, 3020, 3030, 3040, like this you will mark the number. Clear? Next, playing with digits. So we have learned about 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and 5 digit numbers. So 1 digit number 1 to 9, total 9 numbers, 2 digit number 90, 3 digit number 900. इस तरीके से आपको 4 digit and 5 digit numbers लिखने हैं. Next is sum of digits of numbers. Sometimes sum of digit of number is very amazing, as 108, 1 plus 0 plus 8, that is equals to 9. 117, 1 plus 1 plus 7, that is 9. 126, 1 plus 2 plus 6, that is 9. So in all the numbers, the sum of the digit that is equals to 9, but the number is different. In all such numbers, sum of digit is 9. So this is very amazing. Next, evolution time 1.3. Write 3 numbers whose sum is 8. So we have to write 3 numbers whose sum is 8. You can write any 3 numbers like 1 plus 3, that is 4, plus 4, that is 8. Next, finding a particular digit. In the following 3 digit numbers, 8 is repeated 11 times. So 108, 118, 128, 138, 148, 158, 168, 178, 188 and 198. Total 11 times 8 is repeated in these numbers. Next, pretty palindromic patterns. What patterns do you see in these numbers? 66, 111, 121, 848, 575, 979. So आपको कोई पैटर्न दिख रहा है इस नंबर पे? These numbers are same from left to right and right to left. चाहे हम आगे से उसको पढ़े या पीछे से, they are same. Such numbers are called palindromic numbers or palindromes. All palindromes using 1, 2, 3. 121, 313, 222 are some example of palindromes using the digit 1, 2 and 3. Reverse and the add palindrome. Now look at these addition. Try to figure out what is happening. 43 plus 34, that is 77. 53 plus 35, that is 88. 132 plus 2 and 31, 363, 341 and plus 143, that is 484. So what we have done? 43 और इसका उल्टा जो भी रिवर्स करके नंबर आएगा उसको ऐड किया तो क्या आ गया? 77, that is a palindromic number. 53 plus 35, 132, 231. So step to follow, start from the 2-digit number. Add this number to its reverse. जो भी उसका reverse होगा, like 43 का reverse हो जाएगा 34. Stop if you get the palindrome, else repeat the step reversing the digits and adding. Clear? आपको इस तरीके से करना है. पहले कोई भी number, like if you're taking 2-digit number, take the 2-digit number and add its reverse. If you get the palindrome, then stop here. Otherwise, keep repeating until you get the palindrome. Clear? Next is amazing fact. The magic number of Karpikar. Dr. Karpikar was the mathematician. mathematics teachers in the government school in Devli, Maharashtra. He liked playing with the numbers very much and found many beautiful patterns in the numbers that were previously unknown. In 1949, he discovered the fascinating and magical phenomena when playing with the 4-digit numbers. Follow these steps and experience the magic for yourself. Pick any 4-digit number. Suppose your number is 5292. So, take a 4-digit number, make the largest number from the digit called it A. So, आपको 4-digit number से largest number बनाना है, that is, suppose that is called A. Make the smallest number from these digit, call it B. और इसी digit से आपको smallest number form करना है, suppose that is called B. So, इस तरीके से आप number A form करेंगे and B form करेंगे. Next, subtract B from A. आप B को A से subtract करेंगे, जो भी आपका result आया है, we are calling it C. So, C that is equals to A minus B. What happen if we continue doing this? अगर हम ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे तो क्या होगा? We will get the original number. Let us take 5292. Now the largest number इससे क्या बनेगा? 9522 and smallest number is 2259. Now C is A minus B. So that is equals to 7263. Now इसी से हम फिर greatest number बनाएंगे, largest number that is 7632 and smallest number 2367. C इनका difference find out करेंगे, that is 5265. We are keep repeating this. हम इस process को repeat करते रहेंगे until we guess the original number. हमारा original number यहाँ पे था 5292. So here the difference is 5265. We keep repeating this process. Last we get 6174. That is known as the Kapekar constant. Let us take one more example. 82,962. Same, हम इसे greatest number form करेंगे, smallest and find their difference. Again, जो भी हमारा difference आएगा, will form a largest number and smallest number and find their difference. At the last, we keep repeating this until we get the original number. So, it is the same number as we took in the starting. This is the magic number of Kapekar. ये कहलाता है magic number of Kapekar. Next is evolution time 1.4. Find out some magic number of Kapekar and show them. So you can take any number, कोई भी आप number ले सकते हैं and you have to form the greatest number and the smallest number from that given number and find their difference. और आप तब तक repeat करते रहेंगे. Difference find out करना, greatest number form किया, smallest number, find the difference until you get the original number जहाँ से आपने start किया है. So that is the Kapekar number. Clear? Next, addition and subtraction. In the previous classes, we have learned the addition and subtraction. In this chapter, we will do addition and subtraction in the interesting way. Using the number in the boxes, we all allowed to use both addition and subtraction to get the required number. One has been done for you. So here, these numbers are given to us. Now, we have to get 56,360 using these numbers. So we have to make different combination by addition and subtraction. So we have added 40,000 plus 8,000 plus 9,000 and from that we have subtracted 640. So we'll get 56,360. So like this, by taking all these numbers, you have to make different combination and get the required numbers. Next is evolution time 1.5. Using the number in the boxes, you are allowed to use both addition and subtraction to get the following numbers. 34,900. So you have to use these numbers. You have to get 34,900. So take 32,000 plus 5,000, total 37,000 plus 900. From that, if we subtract 3,000, we will get 34,900. Clear? Next, write an example of each of the following. sum of two 5-digit number whose sum is 96,450. So आपको कोई भी 4-digit number find out करने हैं whose sum is 5-digit number. You have to find any two 5-digit number whose sum is 96,450. So you can take 80,000. Now you have to find out the sum should be 96,450. So if we add 16,450 to it, the sum will be 96,450. Clear? Next, playing with the number patterns. Given below, some numbers are arranged in particular pattern. We can find out the sum of these in different ways. So here the numbers are arranged in a particular pattern. So we can find the sum of all number in two ways, by addition and by multiplication. Addition method is lengthy, so we will use the multiplication method. Sum क्या हो जाएगा? 25. How many times 25 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 25 into 10 plus how many times 30 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 30 into 8. 250 plus 240, that is 490. Clear? So like this we can find out the sum. Next, evolution time 1.6. Given below, some numbers are arranged in a particular pattern. Find their sum. So 10, how many times 10 is there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times. So that is equals to 60. Then 15. How many times 15 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twenty-five. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 30. We will add them together. $420. So like this we can find out the sum. Next is an unsolved mystery, the Caillete's conjuncture. Look at the sequence below. The same rule is applied in all the sequence. So 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, 17, 52, 26, 13, 40, 20, 10, 5, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So the rule is one start with any number. If the number is even, take half of it. अगर even number है तो उसका half करना है. If the number is odd, multiply it by 3 and add 1 and repeat. Notice that all four sequence above eventually reach the number 1. In 1937, the German mathematician Lothar Caillete's conjecture that the sequence will always reach 1 regardless of the whole numbers you start with. Even today, despite many mathematicians working on it, it remains an unsolved problem as to whether Caillete's conjecture is true. Caillete's conjecture is one of the most famous unsolved problems in mathematics. Next is evolution time 1.7. Check the Caillete's conjecture for 84. So 84 is an even number. If the number is even, we will take half of it. So half is 42. Again it's even number, so we'll take half of it. Now it's odd number, so we multiply it by 3. 21 into 3. 63 plus 1, 64. Now हम इसका half कर देंगे because it's even number. 32. Now again we'll half it. Its half is 8, 4, 2 and 1. So yes, it's Caillete's conjecture. Next, simple estimation. Sometimes we don't have time to calculate the exact number by addition subtraction, so we use the estimation. Suppose the cost of 4 books is rupees 225, rupees 230, 250 rupees and 280 rupees respectively. So the estimated cost for all 4 books is 1000. Similarly, Mr. Verma buys 3 kg potatoes, 2.5 kg tomatoes, 2 kg onion, 0.6 kg brinjal. So estimated weight जो vegetable का है वो 8 kg है. Next is evaluation time 1.8. Estimate the total number of student in all section of class 6th of your school. So आपको estimate करना है कि जितने भी section है. So estimation will not give the exact number, it will give you an idea कि almost कितने number है. Like आपको पता है कि इस section में 40 है इसमें 42 है, इसमें 38 है, तो so you will take an idea and round off करके एक number दे देंगे. Next, look back. Numbers play very important role in our daily life. Supercell or special cell, we observe different patterns on the number line. 121, 848, 343, etc. are called the palindrome or palindromic numbers. 6174 is called the Karpekar constant. Let's recall. So all these questions are based on the question we have done in chapter earlier. So you have to practice all the questions. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. The next number of sequence 5, 9, 13, 17 is. So 5, 9, 13 and 17. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, that is 21. So B is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया है. Now to practice it.